Hello everyone and welcome to Google Meet. My name's James, I'm one of the assistant heads and I'm going to talk you through how you're going to use Google Meet for your taster lessons this Tuesday. So first of all, let's have a look at signing in. For each session, find the link and simply click on it. It will open up a screen that looks like this. Make sure you're signed in with your Gmail account. Before you join in, you may want to change your background. You could blur it. You could really blur it, or perhaps you could even go a little bit tropical. Once you've done that, click join. And now you're in the meet. Okay, now we're signed in, let's have a look at my class and let's see how we can use it. Here is my test class with some of the staff who work here at Bootham. This is what it will look like for you on Tuesday. But if you don't want to see everybody in the class, how can you just see the teacher? Well, if you find the teacher, there's me in the top left. Click on the pin and you'll have them full screen and all you'll see is the teacher and you can unpin them just like that. What about if you want to chat? Well, go into the chat on the right hand side and you can type and send messages and other people can send messages to you as well. If you want to give an answer or ask a question but don't want to go in the chat, you could use the raise hand feature. Just click raise hand and your teacher will know that you want to say something. Don't forget to put your hand down when you're done. At the bottom of the screen are three tools. The microphone one allows you to mute yourself and that means we won't be able to hear you. It's a good idea to do that while someone else is speaking. The camera tool turns off your camera. And the phone tool lets you leave the lesson. Please don't do that until the end. That's it. And if you have any problems on the day, just ask the member of staff who's leading the session and they'll happily help you. I'm teaching the maths lesson on Tuesday, so I look forward to seeing you then. Bye.